Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make black bean soup. Start by preparing aromatics like onion, garlic, and cumin, then sauté until fragrant. Add soaked or canned beans and vegetable broth. Simmer gently to meld flavors and soften beans. Taste and adjust salt, then puree partially for a creamy texture while leaving some beans whole. Serve with lime, cilantro, and optional avocado for a warm, satisfying meal. Begin by soaking beans if using dried, or rinse canned beans thoroughly. Sauté onion, garlic, and bell pepper in oil until translucent and aromatic, then add cumin and a bay leaf. Pour in broth and beans, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until beans are tender and flavors have mingled. Remove the bay leaf, mash or blend part of the soup for creaminess, and season to taste before serving hot. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing extra black bean soup simple and spill-free, ideal for lunches and meal prep. They stack neatly and seal tightly so your soup stays fresh and your fridge stays tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve the soup warm with bright garnishes like lime and cilantro to cut richness. For smoky depth, stir in smoked paprika or chipotle and adjust salt as needed. To make the meal heartier, add cooked rice, quinoa, or shredded chicken right before serving. Leftovers taste better the next day as flavors meld, and you can freeze portions in airtight containers for easy reheating and meal prep throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.